This is a 10-minute workout at home to help lose belly fat. So what I want to do is really target that stubborn belly fat known as a visceral belly fat. And we're going to be doing that by doing cardio abs, all standing. That's how we're going to really help to reduce that belly fat. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a view of the first move. We're going to start with doing these. If you find that too hard to do it with a straight leg, you can just do it with a bent knee. Just modify the move to suit you. So this move we're going to do for a duration of 40 seconds. So let's get ready. We're going to start in a wide stance and just take the arms up. So when you're ready, we're now going to bring that leg across. So how it's going to work today, you're going to keep doing this move for a duration of 40 seconds. Then every 20 seconds, we're going to do a quick little cardio move that will always be the same. And that's just to really help to just melt off that excess belly fat. So keep going with this. If you find it too hard with a straight leg, just have the knee bent and we're just reaching across. Keep those core tummy muscles tight. So this is really activating through the abdominals. Now here's our next move. This one we're going to call our little chorus move. So we're going to keep repeating this move throughout the workout. So arms up, just give me this little side step and you can do this nice and fast, just going from side to side. This is going to really elevate your heart rate. We're just doing this for a duration of 20 seconds. And then you can see the next move, we're going to go back to really good standing abs core conditioning. So feet hip width distance apart, arms in front, just go from one side to the other, keep your hips still, feet stay still. It's just a rotation through your upper body. Doing this for 40 seconds, just go from one side to the other. Try and imagine that your hips are in cement, so that way we're just really working through those oblique muscles, through the waist muscles. Doing really well. Keeping that going. Then we're going to go back to what we call that chorus move again. So we're just repeating that for 20 seconds to get that heart rate back up. So let's go from side to side and have fun with it. This is how we're going to really increase the metabolism. We're burning calories. Pull down with those arms. Just keep that going. It's that little lateral side step. So for your next move, we're going to do these reaches across and we're just going to alternate doing side to side sets of 3. 1, reach it, 2 and 3. Now take it over to the other side. Go 1, 2 and 3. Just keep going. So we're alternating doing this for 40 seconds. So as you can see today, it's non-stop standing ab cardio. And this is how we're going to really help reduce that visceral belly fat. Keeping that going. Doing the plank and sit-ups, that's never going to help. We've got to get the heart rate up if we need to really work on reducing that visceral belly fat. So we're going to go straight back to that chorus move. So you know the routine now, and let's take that. That's good. And just give me that lateral side step. And you can see the next move coming up. We're just going to be doing cardio punches and then knee drives, just sets of 2 with each. All right, that's good. So just keep going on this move. So now get ready and give me 2 punches, 2 knee drives. 2 punches, 2 knee drives. Keeping that focused. So it's quick transitions, but this is a real cardio-based workout. And the more you do it, the more frequent you do these exercises, the easier it is to follow. It's quite tough, but it's going to really engage your brain as well. So we're really working on brain fitness. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So we know next move, we're coming back to that chorus move. That's the one where we really get that heart rate up. So let's get ready and just take that side to side. Just pull down with those arms. That's good. Nice dynamic move. Really add that nice bend through the legs. Step it out wide. Pull down with the arms. So next move coming up, we're going to do knee drives and we're just going to reach the arms across. So really lovely standing ab move here. So get ready and we can do it with a single arm to start with. When you feel confident with the move, then you can add in the double arms. So it's just knee drive. Do it really slow and controlled, keeping that going. That's good. And if you want to, you can do it double arms. If you want to make it a bit harder, just keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. Feel that working. Think about the muscles that you're engaging. And then we'll take that back to that chorus move. And let's bring that straight back now. So just give me that side step, pull down with the arms. Just have fun with this move. You can really get the speed up. And so your next move is a really lovely one. We're just going to do a side where you're just going to tap the foot slightly across and behind, and then just do a double arm swing across. So swing the arms from side to side. And this one here is incredible for really working through those abs. Going to get that heart rate up. And again, just keeping going. We're well over halfway now on this workout, so let's just keep going. And the great thing is we're doing this at home. It doesn't matter if we get the moves slightly wrong. The key thing is we're moving our bodies. Just taking that double arm swing, and then we're going to bring it straight back then, back to your chorus move. And let's just get ready. Give me that side step, pull down with those arms. So every 20 seconds we're doing this move, and then every 40 seconds we're doing a standing cardio ab move. This one here is really just about calorie burning. So for your next move coming up would be in a split stance, and we're just going to do it in a slow and controlled manner. If you struggle a bit with balance, place one hand on the wall, step one foot back, arms in front. Now drive the knee up and then hold. Drive the knee up, hold. Keep it slow. So as you come up, you've got to really pull in those tummy muscles. As I said, if you find it hard for balance, use the wall. And the more often you do this workout, this will be a lovely thing to gauge. You'll find that you're able to hold that for longer and you have better balance. That's good. Nice control. Draw that up and then hold. And just feel how strong your abdominals are feeling through this move. Just remember what leg you stepped back on. So now we're going to just do the same. We're going to go back to your chorus, and then we're going to work on the opposite leg. So let's just keep going. So it's a really fun, dynamic, challenging routine this, but this is how we get results. So again, what we're going to do is the same, but we're going to work on the other leg for your next move. Okay, so take the other leg back. Again, use the wall for balance if you need to, and just slowly bring that leg up. And really I'm just changing positions so you can see from a front view. So you drive that knee up and you hold. And by using the arms as well, just means we're challenging those abdominals a little bit more. Plus we're getting the heart rate up because we're taking the arms above heart level. Keeping that controlled, doing really well. And now let's get ready and just bring that back to that chorus move. So side step, draw those arms down and just have fun with this move. We're just moving our bodies, getting healthy and fit. So for your next move, we're going to alternate doing 4 sets of knee drives to then 4 kicks. So we're going to start with where we just take the arms in front and we're just going to go for doing these knee drives. Now give me kicks for 4, and then give me these knee drives. Then just draw the elbows over, then take the arms up for 4 kicks. So it's knee drives, draw the arms across, and then arms stay up for 4 kicks. So just get used to that move. Knee drives, arms up, 4 kicks. That's good. And then we'll take that back again, back to that chorus move, just to get ready to take that heart rate back up. And let's just go side to side, really draw those arms down. We're nearly finished today, so last little bit, let's keep focused. So for your next move, we're just going to be in a split stance. We're going to draw the knee up and just draw the arms across. So split stance and take that leg up. And you're just drawing the arms across. So just follow along. We're going to change halfway through this one. So the knee comes up, but you're drawing those arms over. And it is a tough workout this, but when you come back and do it the next day, you'll find the moves slightly easier. Let's just change legs. So that knee comes up, but you're just swinging the upper body, the arms across. Just imagine you're pulling something over. And this is great because it's really going to help with your balance, which I clearly need to work on. So let's just keep going. And we're going to finish off on that last move, that chorus one, and just get ready to take that to those steps and then side steps, and just draw those arms down. And do let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed this workout. And remember, as always, this is always just about you and I working at home just to look after your future health. So well done, you did it. That is your 10-minute belly fat workout done. Now what I would suggest, it's really good to do a stretch. You can click here for the video, you can find it in the description down below. But really well done, there is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.